I'm with my brother Kyle. We're with Remax Advantage. Cadence is the newest master plan community in Henderson. It's also the most affordable. You can purchase a new construction home starting in the low 300,000s. You can enjoy the outdoors. The central park of Cadence is a large outdoor space that's great for gathering with friends and family. There are trails, hundreds of miles of trails that extend all throughout the city of Henderson. It is a fun place to live.